and I have something big for you today. And I mean, it's like a big product. A light fixture. This is going to be a flush mounted light fixture. You can kind of imagine. Very attractive. It's from LMS Lighting. I'm going to set that down. We are going to check that out up close and personal in just a minute. But first I want to talk about LMS and give them a shout out on what a great company they are. Their customer service is crazy. They are so good. Their warranties and guarantees are going to blow your mind. So we'll talk about all of that in a minute. We're also going to talk about how easy these are to install. I couldn't personally believe it. I'm going to be installing new light fixtures all throughout my house because it's something that even I could do myself. It's really, really easy, quick process and can dramatically changes the look of your room. So you're all gonna love it. These are environmentally friendly, energy efficient, and it's gonna save you money and improve the lighting in your house. You're gonna have awesome selfie quality lighting wherever you go. We're all spending more time at home, so you should definitely upgrade your lighting if you have the chance. This is such, they are so affordable, such great customer service, comes to you so fast, no reason not to do it. I'm gonna stop talking about it so we can go check out everything and get into the specifics. Hang out with me. Let's get into it right about now. Okay, rock stars, we are introducing the LMS 056. As you can see, it's a round acrylic lampshade with a metal base. This one comes in matte black. It has built-in LED chips. Actually, there's 160 of them. They produce a maximum of 1260 lumens of brightness. For comparison, your old 60-watt incandescent bulbs, they only produce about 800 lumens. But the thing is, it's not just a brighter light, it's actually way more energy efficient too. In fact, it uses 85% less electricity than incandescent bulbs. This means it's going to save you money and be better for the environment, all while providing a better quality, brighter light. It's a win-win-win. One of my favorite features is that this light is dimmable. That's right, it can go all the way down to just 10% of the light or up to 100%. It's compatible with most modern LED dimmers, and the built-in LED driver ensures smooth and flicker-free dimming capability. I encourage you guys to definitely check out LMS on Amazon. They have so many different lights, you guys will love them. We're talking outdoor lights, LED wall lights, and even desk lights, in addition to, of course, the ceiling lights like I showed you today. They have a little bit of everything. This one is my total favorite. I love this lamp. That might be my next purchase. And I will buy with confidence from LMS because they have a 5-year guarantee and great customer service. This is our light that we checked out today. Check out all the details on their Amazon page. Thank you guys for sticking around so much and learning all about light fixtures and lighting improvements with LMS Lighting. They're a great company, as I mentioned, and I encourage you guys to all check them out. If you do, please leave me a comment and let me know how it worked out for you, how easy your installation was, maybe before and after pictures of your room, I don't know. I'm just very, very excited about this. I am excited to see, I know I've been at home a lot more lately with everything that's going on, working from home, and I've seen my electricity bill going up, just creeping up more and more every month with just the amount of time I've been at home. So this is an easy way to invest in something that I love the look of, but also is going to be saving me money in the long run. So if you can do these little improvements, you're going to save money on your electric bill. It's going to be better for the environment, and it's also going to look better and give you better quality lighting at home. So I know where I'm going to be taking all my Instagram selfies is under my new light, and
just enjoying the look of home a little bit better since we're spending more time there. Invest in yourself, invest in your home, invest in your environment. Do it with LMS Lighting. They're a great company. They're going to make sure that you're satisfied with your results for the long haul. They're in it with you. Looking forward to hearing from all of you guys in the comments. Shoot me an email, 911rockstars@gmail.com. Thanks you guys again.
Thanks for shopping with us on Rockstar Reviews, a page dedicated to style, fashion, shopping, and fun.
Like this. $1,000.
Make sure to subscribe for more content, including hauls and reviews. If you're interested in having us review your product, email me directly. There's a link in the description below.